Hello everyone, welcome to the Technical Pathfinder channel. Here we are beginning new numerical section of electrical machines from the book P.S. Bhimra. Our first section is three-phase induction machines. In this numerical section, we will take one numerical or two numerical per day and we will solve the numericals. So here I am taking one numerical of three-phase induction machines from P.S. Bhimra. We will consider what it is saying. In example 6.1, a three-phase star-connected wound rotor induction motor fed from AC sources as shown in figure 6.6. Here the figure is shown. The currents in both the stator and rotor windings are kept within limits. So current are kept in limits, and if the DC supply terminals is changed from phase A winding to B phase winding of the stator, find the number of mechanical degrees through which rotor would move in case motor has 2 pole, 4 pole and 6 poles. So the star connected rotor is fed from DC sources on both sides. Here we can see that a DC supply at phase A is applied, and at rotor also DC supply is applied. And then he is saying that if the DC supply of the terminal at stator side is changed from phase A to B, then what is the mechanical angle through which the rotor will rotate. And then he is saying to find the mechanical angle for 2 pole machine, 4 pole and 6 pole. So let's start with 2 pole machine. In the question it is given that at a stator side the DC supply is given to phase A, and at the rotor side it is the three windings are short circuited and supplied by the DC supply. So with the help of DC supply there is a creation of stator and rotor poles like this: N1 at A and S1 pole at A dash. Because DC supply at stator is at A pole, so north pole is induced at N1 and south pole at A dash. So at the rotor side the north and south pole are induced, and the rotor is shifted like that such that opposite poles are in the same position. So opposite poles attract each other, so S2 is close to N1 and N2 is close to S1. This is the condition when we apply the DC supply. After that the question is telling us that the phase is changing, so DC supply at the stator is shifted from A to B. So now A is unexcited and B is excited. So the north pole is developed at B and south pole at B dash. So what is happening now? The S2 will be shifted to N1 and N2 will be shifted to S1. So there is a clockwise rotation of the rotor in the electrical machine. So this is the position of rotor after DC is supplied to phase B, and we can see that there is 120 degree electrical rotation of the rotor in clockwise. So in 2 pole machine there is 120 degree electrical clockwise rotation is observed when we shift from phase A to phase B the DC supply. So we can find the mechanical angle by using the formula theta electrical equal to P by 2 into theta mechanical. So theta electrical is 120 degree and P is 2 here. So theta mechanical is same as theta electrical. So theta mechanical here is 120 degree in clockwise direction. For second part, theta mechanical for 4-pole machine will be 2 by P is 4 into 120 degree clockwise equal to 60 degree clockwise. So as the number of poles increase, the rotation of rotor will be reduced to half. From 2 pole to 4 pole, the rotor is rotated 60 degree. In 2 pole it was 120 degree. Similarly, for 6 pole machine, theta mechanical equal to 2 by 6 into 120 clockwise equal to 120 by 3, it is 40 degree clockwise. So this is the answer of the solution of the question.